Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on productivity. So to start with, let me quickly tell you guys what exactly is productivity, because that is the basic definition to understand any of the further pointers, or I would say information, that I'll be telling you. So it is the conversion of energy into biomass over a given period of time, and that's called productivity. So the keywords is that it's conversion of energy into biomass, and it is for a given period of time and is measured as productivity. Okay, moving forward, the next key thing that we need to know for this topic is gross primary productivity, which is in short known as GPP. You can remember it both ways. It is the total amount of carbon dioxide that is fixed by a plant in the process of photosynthesis. So when the photosynthesis happens in the plant, the amount of CO2 that they take, the total amount of CO2 that they take in, is called the GPP, which is the gross primary productivity, and it is calculated by this formula, which I'll be talking about once I'm done with my NPP, right? Not before that. Let's talk about NPP now. NPP is net primary productivity, and it is calculated by subtracting the respiratory losses, the losses that you have while you are respirating, from the gross primary productivity. So when you subtract your GPP minus R, which is the respiration, this is the respiration, right? Whatever. So it's the respiration that happens. So when you do that, you will find your NPP, which is, the formula is right over here. Next, I said that we will see the formula for GPP after NPP. So as I said that, now let's look at that formula. It is NPP equals GPP plus R. So what I've done to get this formula, how we've achieved it. So we don't have a GPP formula, but in case we have to find it out, what we will do is, if I take this R, on the other hand, it becomes a positive. It becomes a positive, and hence, when you look at it, and because of that, now it becomes GPP, and this R goes that side, right? So that makes it NPP. It's a capital P. I'm sorry, it looks like a small one. NPP plus the respiration. So what we've done is just made up the formula by the formula of net primary productivity. We use this formula to take out the formula of GPP. Fine, I hope you guys understood that. It is a very easy way and a very easy thing how you can take it out, but it's just understanding that might take a little time. Let's move to the next key pointer. It is the GSP, which is the gross secondary productivity. Now this GSP is the total energy or the biomass assimilated by consumers. So now this is important, that it is the total energy or biomass assimilated by the consumers, because it is secondary, so it becomes consumers instead of producers, right? So that's the total energy of biomass, and it is calculated by subtracting the mass of fecal loss and from the mass of the food which is consumed. So the total food taken in and subtract the food taken out by any means of fecal loss. So what is taken in minus taken out is the gross secondary productivity. Let's go to the next one. This was quite easy and I hope you guys understood. NSP is calculated by subtracting the respiratory losses, which is the R, from the GSP. Okay, from the GSP. So you guys can see that formula over here itself. It says NSP equals to GSP minus the respiration. So GSP is already minus the fecal loss. After the fecal loss, you also subtract the respiratory losses, the R, and you will get your net secondary productivity. So I hope you guys understood the whole concept around the topic of productivity, and it wasn't easy, but I hope you guys understood the whole concept. And now you should find it easy to understand and remember for your further classes. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it as well and understood the concept for the most. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you guys liked the video. Thank you, bye bye, and have a really nice day.